चलिए 20 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट लगाने के बाद आप उस बिजनेस से उससे ज़्यादा बनाने के बारे में ज़रूर सोचेंगे, क्योंकि बिना ROI के वाई वुड वी इन्वेस्ट आवर क्रूशियल टाइम एंड मनी इन एनीथिंग। अब CFA में इतना पैसा लग रहा है तो व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस सर्टिफिकेशन, क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं कि इन कंपैरिजन विद अदर ग्लोबल कोर्सेज CFA नीड्स अ बिट मोर चार्जेस। तो कंप्लीशन के बाद मिलेगा क्या करियर ऑप्शन है, कितना अर्न करोगे, दैट इज अ रियल कंसर्न। व्हाट इज द रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट सो दैट यू कैन मेक एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन। आज के वीडियो में हम यही बात करेंगे व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर CFA completion by talking about the practical scenario of those salary offerings and I'll be sharing some expert tips given by our experienced team of Uni Global Education which can help you secure your future through CFA into 10x. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you cannot afford to miss any of the points. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Uni Global Education. We continuously make videos around finance courses so that you can make an informed decision for your better future. Alright, what next after earning your CFA? मतलब अरे भाई कितना बना सकते हैं? So here's the deal. CFA is a gold mine. Yes, I'm not exaggerating it. CFA is a gold mine. It opens doors to career in finance, investment and asset management. So I'm going to break down all the job aspects you can have after CFA and what kind of salary you can expect at different stages of this journey. So talking about the job opportunity, so the first come research analyst. What a research analyst actually do is they understand the financial reports, they dig deeper into the financial reports and suggest and guide investors to where to put the money. And when the investor make conscious decision about putting in their money, they gain a lot of profit. If you save a lot of money, you are gonna get a lot of money. We have one buy side analyst and the second one is sell side research analyst. No, it's not about buying and selling something. So buy sides are those who are advising in mutual funds or pension funds, and talking about sell sides, they write stock reports for brokerage firms. Starting salary you can expect from 6 to 9 LPA. So basically you can start from a sell side analyst and you can reach to play with crores. The second come credit analyst. So as a research analyst I was calling a detective of finance. A credit analyst you can call the loan decision maker. ये जो credit analyst होते हैं, these pros, they analyze the revenue, cash flow and debts to decide if a business deserves a loan. एक तरीके से उस venture and business को पूरी तरीके से evaluate करना कि whether this company is going to get in loss after investing. So they analyze the revenue and anticipate investing in that business would be a deal of profit or a loss. Again, salary you can expect from 6 to 9 LPA. So the next come portfolio manager. So any business, if you are having a big business and you are handling massive funds, that is the task of a portfolio manager. Portfolio manager maximize returns by minimizing the risk. Salary you can expect from 10 to 12 LPA and plus a lot of bonus. So this role is perfect for someone who love making high stake investment decisions. So next come consultant. You can say an investment advisor. So after CFA you can also become a consultant. As the name suggests, consultants guide businesses to make strategic decisions in order to gain profit. Salary you can expect from 8 to 10 LPA, climbing to reach 15 plus LPA with experience. This is perfect for those who enjoy problem solving and financial strategy. The next comes the investment banker, the big league player. So after CFA, you can also become a investment banker. These deal makers handles IPOs, M&A and massive capital raises. Salary you can expect from 12 to 20 LPA with sky high bonus. This is where finance meet high pressure deal making. चलिए अभी तक तो हम बात कर रहे थे कुछ कॉमन पोर्टफोलियोज की प्रोफाइल्स की जो CFA के बाद आपको मिलेगा एंड द एवरेज यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट एज अ फ्रेशर. अब हम बात करते हैं द सीक्रेट ऑफ लैंडिंग टू हाई पेइंग CFA जॉब्स. बहुत सारे एस्पायरिंग फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल ऐसा मानते हैं कि हैविंग अ CFA डिग्री इज अ गोल्डन टिकट, बट द ट्रुथ, मार्क माय वर्ड, CFA सर्टिफिकेशन अलोन इजंट इनफ. यस, द रियल गेम चेंजर्स आर नेटवर्किंग, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस एंड कॉन्टिन्यूअस स्किल डेवलपमेंट. तो चलिए इसको ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं एक रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल में. आई नो one candidate who is having CFA and earning 28 LPA right now, and he has started with BCom and MCom, a pretty standard academic background. When I had a word with him, I found out the reason was he was not solely relying on CFA certification only, and that was his reason of 28 LPA in investment management right now. So do not panic, it's not that hard. अच्छे से सारे points को break down करके समझते हैं. पहला, He built strong connections. So as we all know that CFA is a globally recognized qualification and networking is the key to access it. So make sure you must attend CFA conferences. If you had attended the CMA US seminar in collaboration with IMA, how the global chair of IMA Surendra Desmukh was suggesting that networking can help you to achieve multiple things. So make sure you attend CFA events, financial conferences and local events and local meetups to connect with industry experts. Even LinkedIn and some professional circles, you can have some strong connections. Connection की मदद से आप एक ऐसे जॉब के पास पहुंच सकते हैं जिसको कभी एडवर्टाइज ही नहीं किया गया. Maybe through internal links people get hired too. Second comes about the secret of 28 LPA. He worked on real world projects. So usually what happens in any global certification, in the race of clearing the certification, so the students forget to develop their practical skills. So as I was talking about the real world project, do not spend your entire time in studying. You take real world projects, analyze companies, track portfolios, and yes, write stock reports. You can create investment thesis and you can simply post it on your LinkedIn and professional platforms. अब इसका result क्या है? So these can help you to stand out to employers. The next secret of 28 LPAs comes, he proved his skill beyond examination. So passing the exam is great, but recruiters want practical application of that knowledge. So you need to engage yourself into internship, financial project related to equity research and portfolio management. One more thing, if you can have one more certification with CFA, that is a bonus for you. अब इसका result क्या है? So you can confidently demonstrate your practical experience and expertise in the interviews, and that can make you a top candidate in that interview. So what is the moral of the story? Don't just focus on passing CFA exams. Network aggressively. जाइए connect कीजिए industry experts से, CFA societies से and recruiters से. Gain real world experiences. Analyze markets, write reports, and showcase your skill. What next? Keep upscaling. Learn financial modeling, valuation. By doing this, that's how you land to highest paying CFA jobs. So are you ready to take your finance career to the next level? So start networking, upscaling, and gain your experience today. So आपका CFA career strategy क्या है? Comment section में ज़रूर बताएं.
If you have any inquiry, if you want detailed explanation of these courses, you can reach out to us through the inquiry form available in the description.
If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel and share this video among your friends and let them explore the power of CFA. Till then, keep watching Urin Global Education. See you in the next video.